हाय फ्रेंड्स, मैं हूं आपका चंद्रमणि और आप देख रहे हैं नंदा नर्सिंग लाइव। फ्रेंड्स, आज हम लोग कुछ नर्सिंग कम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम का मॉडल क्वेश्चंस आंसर डिस्कशन करेंगे। सो वीडियो को शुरू से लेकर एंड तक देखते रहिए। चलिए शुरू करते हैं। द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज ड्रग ऑफ चॉइस फॉर एस्केरियासिस इज ऑप्शन ए पेपराजिन साइट्रेट, ऑप्शन बी बेफेनियम हाइड्रोक्सी नाफ्थोएट, ऑप्शन सी नेबेंडाजोल, ऑप्शन डी अल्बेंडाजोल। So the right option is, or the right answer is, Nebendazole. Next question. Question number 2. Peripheral neuritis is a side effect of which anti-tubercular drugs? Option A rifampicin, option B isoniazid, option C streptomycin, option D ethambutol. Or the right option is, or the right answer is, isoniazid. Next question. Question number 3. Gynecomastia is one of the side effect of option A spironolactone, option B rifampicin, option C penicillin, option D bumetanide. So the right option is spironolactone. Gynecomastia is one of the side effect of spironolactone. Question number 4. Use of oral contraceptive pills by women reduces the risk of option A breast cancer, option B ovarian cancer, option C cervical cancer, option D uterine cancer. So right option is ovarian cancer. Use of oral contraceptive pills by women reduces the risk of ovarian cancer. Question number 5. Bleeding between the menstrual period is known as option A menorrhagia, option B metrorrhagia, option C polymenorrhea, option D dysmenorrhea. So the right option is metrorrhagia. So bleeding between the menstrual period is known as metrorrhagia. Question number 6. Retraction of foreskin is difficult or impossible is known as option A Cushingoid appearance, option B hypoaldosteronism, option C cryptorchidism, option D phimosis. So the right answer is phimosis. Retraction of foreskin is difficult or impossible is known as phimosis. Next question number 7. Atropine is commonly used prior to administration of inhalant anesthesia to reduce option A muscle tone, option B secretion, option C nausea and vomiting, option D all of the above. So the right answer is secretion. Atropine is commonly used prior to administration of inhalant anesthetics to reduce secretion. Question number 8. A low-pitched continuous gurgling sounds caused by secretion in the large airways is called option A wheezes, option B coughing, option C bronchi, option D stridor. So the right answer is wheezes sound. So a low-pitched continuous gurgling sound caused by secretion in the large airway is called wheezy sound. Next question number 9. The most common AIDS-associated neoplasm is option A Kaposi sarcoma, option B non-Hodgkin lymphoma, option C cervical cancer, option D Hodgkin lymphoma. So the right answer is Kaposi sarcoma. The most common AIDS-associated neoplasm is Kaposi sarcoma. Next question number 10. Which of the following drug is recommended for prevention of mother-to-child transmission of HIV infection? Option A tamoxifen citrate, option B didanosine, option C indinavir, option D navipravir. So right answer is navirapine. Which of the following drugs is recommended for prevention of mother to child transmission of HIV infection? That is navirapine. Question number 11. Shrinkage of cell size is known as Option A atrophy, option B necrosis, option C metastasis, option D hypertrophy. So the right answer is atrophy. Shrinkage of cell size is known as atrophy. Next question, question number 12. A diagnosis of pneumonia is typically achieved by which of the following diagnostic tests? Option A arterial blood gas analysis, option B chest X-ray, option C blood cultures, option D sputum culture and sensitivity. So the right answer is sputum culture and sensitivity. A diagnosis of pneumonia is typically achieved by which of the following diagnostic tests, that is sputum culture and sensitivity test. Next question, question number 13. Sharp waste should be disposed in option A black, option B blue, option C red, option D yellow. So the right answer is blue. Sharp waste should be disposed in blue. Next question, question number 14. ICDS was launched in option A 1955, option B 1968, option C 1975, option D 2005. So the right answer is 1975. ICDS was launched in 1975. Next question, question number 15. Sucral fat is used in the treatment of option A fluid deficit, option B peptic ulcer, option C fluid overload, option D peritonitis. So the right answer is peptic ulcer. So scarlet is sucral fat is used in the treatment of peptic ulcer. Next question, question number 16. A condition in which thoughts enter into the mind of the person through the person, though he does not want to think about them, is known as option A obsession, option B regression, option C delusion, option D suppression. A condition in which thoughts enter into the mind of the person though he does not want to think about them is known as, right answer is obsession. Next question, question number 17. Characteristic feature of schizoid personality disorder is option A rigid and controlling, option B submissive and immature, option C arrogant and attention seeking, option D introverted and emotionally withdrawn. So the right answer is introverted and emotionally withdrawn. Characteristic feature of schizoid personality disorder is introverted and emotionally withdrawn. The next question, question number 18. World Health Day celebrated on option A February 7th, option B March 7th, uh, option C April 7th, option D May 7th. So the right answer is April 7th. World Health Day celebrated on April 7th. Question number 19. Kit supplied at subcenter is called as option A kit E, option B kit B, option C kit K, option D kit M. So the right answer is kit B. That is supply in subcenter. Kit B supplied at subcenter. Question number 20. In polio vaccine vial, inner square of VVM, that is vaccine vial monitor, is lighter than outer circle. It means option A discard the vaccine, option B shake well before use, option C bring the vaccine to room temperature before using it, option D use the vaccine. So the right answer is use the vaccine. In polio vaccine vial, inner square of VVM is lighter than outer circle. It means use the vaccine. Question number 21. While administer a eardrop in infant, the nurse should pull the pinna of the ear. Option A downward and upward, option B upward and backward, option C downward and backward, option D backward and upward. This question is repeatedly asked in AIMS and ESIC also. So the right answer is downward and backward. While administer eardrop in infant, the nurse should pull the pinna of the ear downward and backward. Question number 22. Which among the following vaccine is stored in freezer? Option A BCG, option B measles, option C DPT, option D TT. So the right answer is measles. Next question, question number 23. Temperature exposure in indicators of a vaccine is option A VVN, option B VAP, option C VMV, option D VTI. So the right answer is VVN. VVN. Temperature exposure indicator of a vaccine is VVN. Next question, question number 24. Warfarin interferes with option A endothelial response, option B platelet activation, option C activation of thrombin, option D collagen formation. So the right answer platelet activation. Warfarin interferes with platelet activation. Question number 25. All of the following are mood stabilizing agents except option A lithium carbonate, option B fluoxetine, option C valproic acid, option D carbamazepine. So the answer is fluoxetine. Next question, question number 26. False sensory perception not associated with real external stimuli is called option A concrete thinking, option B hallucination, option C delusion, option D illusion. So the right answer is hallucination. Question number 27. Each community development block should have option A 1 community health center, option B 2 community health center, option C 3 community health center, option D 4 community health center. Right answer is 1 community health center. Each community development block should have 1 community health center. Question number 28. Which of the following is considered the fifth vital sign in emergency department? Option A motor response, option B response to pain, option C verbal response, option D pupillary reaction to light. So the right answer is pupillary reaction to light. Question number 29. Neural tube defect can be prevented by option A supplementation with hydroquinone, option B supplementation with vitamin B complex, option C maternal folate supplementation, option D prophylaxis of valproic acid. The right answer is maternal folate supplementation. Next question, question number 30. A patient have difficulty in smelling. Nurses assess for which cranial nerve? Option A cranial nerve 1, option B cranial nerve 2nd, option C cranial nerve 3rd, option D cranial nerve 4th. So the right answer is cranial nerve 1. Next question, question number 31. Nursing care in a child with extrophy of bladder is option A dressing with normal saline, option B dressing with petroleum jelly, option C cover with clean plastic wrap, option D catheterize the child. So the right answer is cover with clean plastic wrap. Nursing care in a child with extrophy of bladder is cover with clean plastic wrap. Next question, question number 32. In which stage there are formation of blisters? Option A stage 1, option B stage 2, option C stage 3, option D stage 4. So the right answer is stage 2. Next question, question number 33. Common position in a child with tetralogy of Fallot. Option A squatting, option B prone, option C supine, option D sideline. Right answer is squatting. Common position in the child with tetralogy of Fallot, that is squatting. Question number 34. Commonest side used for IM injection in infant is option A vastus lateralis, option B gluteal muscles, option C deltoid, option D bicep. So the right answer is vastus lateralis. Question number 35. Angles used for giving IM injection is option A 45 degree, option B 90 degree, option C 30 degree, option D 120 degree. So the answer is 90 degree. Angle used for giving IM injection is 90 degree. Next question, number 36. All are types of hemolytic anemia except option A G6PD deficiency, option B thalassemia, option C cirrhosis, option D sickle cell anemia. So the answer is G6PD deficiency. Next question, question number 37. Normal pH range of blood is option A 7.35 to 7.45, option B 7.25 to 7.35, option C 7.45 to 7.55, option D 7.15 to 7.25. Right answer is 7.35 to 7.45. Normal pH range of blood is 7.35 to 7.45. Question number 38. 0.45% normal saline is the option A hypertonic, option B isotonic, option C hypertonic, option D colloid. The answer is hypotonic solution. 0.45% normal saline is the hypotonic solution. Next question, question number 39. A patient complaining nausea after having food. It is which type of data? Option A subjective, option B objective, option C personal, option D none of them. The answer is subjective. A patient complaining nausea after having food, it is which type of data? Subjective. Question number 40. First day of menstrual cycle is 14 August. The ADD according to Nagel's rule or Nagel's is option A 21 May, option B 14 June, option C 21 June, option D 14 June. And the answer is 21st May. Question number 41. Who will assess which lab value in renal failure patient? Option A serum creatinine, option B serum calcium, option C serum magnesium, option D serum chloride. So the answer is serum creatinine. Question number 42. You will use which solution for spillage of blood on the floor? Option A chloride mixed solution, option B phenol mixed, option C Cidex, option D formalin. And the right answer is chloride mixed solution. Next question, question number 43. Which is the long-acting insulin? Option A Glargine, option B NPH, option C regular, option D Lispro. And the answer is Glargine. Question number 54. Cation present mostly in plasma is option A sodium, option B potassium, option C calcium, option D magnesium. And the right answer is sodium. Cation present mostly in plasma is sodium. Next question, question number 45. A patient received highest oxygen by option A mask with reservoir bag, option B Venturi mask, option C nasal cannula, option D simple mask. Right answer is mask with reservoir bag. Question number 46. Pepsinogen secretes by option A chief cell, option B mast cell, option C beta cells, option D parietal cells. And the right answer is chief cells. Pepsinogen secretes by chief cells. Next question, question number 47. Normal bone cell is known as option A osteocyte, option B osteoblast, option C osteoclast, option D monocytes. And the right answer is osteocyte. Next question, question number 48. Precaution used when caring for a rubella patient is option A droplet, option B contact, option C universal, option D hand washing. And the answer is droplet. Next question, question number 49. A woman came with complaining of recurrent uterine bleeding. Nurse action involves option A cryotherapy, option B prepare pap smear, option C anti-hemorrhagic, option D reassure the client. The right answer is prepare pap smear. A woman came with complaining of recurrent uterine bleeding. Nurse action involves prepare pap smear. Next question, question number 50. Effect of vasodilator includes hypotension, hypertension, diuresis, sweating. Which one is correct answer? The right answer is hypotension. Effect of vasodilator includes hypotension. Next question, question number 51. Osmolarity of normal saline is option A 134 milliequivalent per liter, option B 144 milliequivalent per liter, option C 154 milliequivalent per liter, option D 164 milliequivalent per liter. So the answer is 154 milliequivalent per liter. Number 52. The most common symptom in children with symptomatic cardiac malformation is option A poor feeding, option B hypothermia, option C delay physical growth, option D clubbing of the fingertip. Right answer is delay physical growth. The most common symptom in children with symptomatic cardiac malformation is delay physical growth. Next question number 53. In bacterial meningitis, CSF reveals option A decreased cell count, option B elevated proteins level, option C increased glucose, option D low spinal fluid volume. And that option is elevated protein level. Question number 54. Toddlers have a tendency to say no to everything. This feature is known as option A imitation, option B negativism, option C ritualism, option D autonomy. And the right option is negativism. Toddlers have a tendency to say no to everything. This feature is known as negativism. Next question. Question number 55. What is persistent diarrhea? Option A diarrhea lasts greater than 1 week. Diarrhea lasts. Option B diarrhea lasts greater than 2 weeks. Option C diarrhea lasts greater than 3 weeks. Option D diarrhea lasts greater than 4 weeks. The right option diarrhea lasts greater than 2 weeks. Next question number 56. Most priority nursing intervention while caring for a child who is suffering from tonic-clonic seizure is option A start oxygen by mask, option B make child sit and provide water, option C protect child from self-injury, option D apply restraints. The right answer is protect child from self-injury. Most priority nursing intervention while caring for a child who is suffering from tonic-clonic seizure is protect child from self-injury. Next question number 57. Site of lesion in polio is option A dorsal horn of spinal cord, option B ventral horn of spinal cord, option C spinal cord, option D all muscles. This is the most important question. And site of lesion in polio is correct answer is ventral horn of spinal cord. And question number 50. All among the following are Mahindra site for diagnosing for Jones criteria except option A edema of the marginal magnetic option B esophageal arthritis hepatitis option A edema polyarthritis mastitis the right answer B arthralgia option C cardiac lipidemia the polyarthritis partly escalated which option A the oldest liquid visual layer that is widely accepted in the community. Option A TAD, option B chalkboard, option C flipkart, option D CPT. The right option is chalkboard. Question or and the final question that is fructose in semen includes from option A testes, option B bulbourethral gland, option C prostate gland, option D seminal vesicle. The right answer is bulbourethral gland. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग फ्रेंड्स. आपको यदि वीडियो अच्छा लगे तो प्लीज़ लाइक कर दीजिएगा और वीडियो को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करिए और सब लोग के पास पहुंचाइए. और नए हैं तो ये नंदा नर्सिंग लाइव यूट्यूब चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए एंड प्रेस द बेल आइकन फॉर